Oh my God. This should be illegal. So good. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. It's Ashley. Today is our refeed day. We are doing a 5-2 fasting protocol, and I wanted to give you guys a quick weight loss update. I ended up losing about 13 pounds this last week. I'm going to do a refeed for 2 days, which I showed you guys yesterday what I decided to make. I'll show you guys again later how I make it, and we'll do a taste test and everything. And then starting Monday, I'm going right back into another water fast for 5 days. Repeat. We'll see how it goes, and I'm planning on doing this for at least 10 weeks. I will do another weight update on Monday and let you guys know if I gained anything over these next 2 days. But it is what it is. We're going to try this and see which way works the best for refeeding after a 5-day fast. I have a lot of recipes that I want to try with you guys. I want to do keto, I want to do vegetarian, I want to do carnivore, I want to do paleo, I want to do just fruits, I want to do smoothies, and I want to see which one works best, because everybody has a different opinion on what you should break your fast with, and so I'm going to put that to the test. Hopefully you guys stick around for that. You can click that little subscribe button if you haven't already. You can click the bell icon next to it if you want to be notified that I am uploading another weight loss video or another update video, because I am going to be doing this for the next 10 weeks. So stay with me. Today I decided to break my fast and get my digestive system going with some bulletproof coffee. Now, bulletproof coffee is, it's a keto thing. As you guys know, I was keto for 3 years before I started more fasting than anything. So to make my bulletproof coffee, I first do the coffee, and I decided to blend it. I was going to do regular coffee, but I decided to make it bulletproof coffee, so I went ahead and poured that into my blender cup, and I added my butter and my coconut oil. I added some cinnamon and some liquid stevia. Then I put the top on and I blended it up, and that way it becomes all frothy and absolutely delicious. So if you guys haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. Some people add heavy whipping cream to it. I don't. I find that this is just perfect, and the little tiny bit of cinnamon gives it this really rich flavor. So hopefully you guys give it a try. Let me know if you do. It's nice to have something warm after 5 days of just water. Anyway, I will come back in a little while. I'm going to finish my coffee, but I will be showing you guys what I'm going to make for lunch, how I'm going to make it, and we'll do a taste test. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, here's the long-awaited recipe. So this is the green enchilada chicken soup, and this is what you're going to need. Shredded chicken. I just took a rotisserie chicken and shredded it. You're going to need some cilantro. You're going to need your cheese. You're going to need some limes, some cream cheese. We're going to need some salsa verde. Sour cream is optional for the topping. Heavy whipping cream. You're going to need some chicken broth. Avocados, also optional for the topping. And then the other thing that they had that you're supposed to have is the enchilada sauce. They didn't have any, so we're just going to do the salsa verde. And then, of course, whatever seasoning that you want for the soup. Let's get started. Doesn't that look amazing, you guys? So here's the taste test because I am starving. Let me tell you, it was not easy to get this recorded. We had some stuff happen today that was not really that fun, but I'm going to go ahead and take a taste and get into the rest of this video. Oh my God. This should be illegal. This is amazing. Really good. I am so glad I'm breaking my fast with this. I also get some of the healthy fats with the avocado, so I'm super excited about that. It's all good ingredients, so this is definitely worth it, and I don't even think I can finish the whole thing because 2 bites and I'm already starting to feel a little bit full. Really, really good, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my OMAD today. I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be these beautiful things, and I'll show you how I make those as well. Hopefully you guys give this a try. I will be posting the recipe down in the comments, so check that out. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already because I'm doing this thing for at least 10 weeks and then we'll go from there. And I'm going to be posting another recipe video tomorrow for my second OMAD. And then Monday we start another water fast. So if you want to join in, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you plan to do. That way I can go ahead and encourage and motivate you on your personal journey because I love doing that. We're in this together, you guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Before I go, I'm changing the name of this soup since I created it myself. I got the inspiration from Pinterest, but since I created this soup, I'm going to actually take out the enchilada name and I'm going to just call it the Salsa Verde Chicken Soup.